So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-hide ng comments sa ating Facebook Reels. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, i-open lang natin ang ating Facebook account or yung ating Facebook app. And then mag-open tayo ng ating isang Facebook Reels. So punta lang ako sa pinakang profile. And then, open ko lang yung mga reels. So, tap nyo lang or open nyo lang yung video or reels na gusto nyong i-hide ang comment. So, ayan guys, pagka-open ng reels, pumunta lang tayo sa pinakang comment section. So, dito guys, kung makikita nyo, meron dyang dalawang comment. So, para ma-hide natin, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-hold or i-long press natin yung specific comment na yon. And may magpa-pop up dyan guys na option. So, piliin nyo lang yung hide comment. So, tap natin yung hide comment. And ayan guys, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. So yung ini-hide comment natin guys is visible pa din yan dun sa taong nag-comment mismo dito sa reels ko. So hindi na yan makikita ng ibang tao or ng friends ko or ng followers ko, pero visible pa rin yan dun sa taong nag-comment. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-hide ng comments sa ating Facebook Reels. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.